Binance to PayPal transfer. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'm going to guide you on how you can transfer from Binance to PayPal, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to transfer from Binance to PayPal, open up your Binance application here. Whether you're trying to transfer crypto or whether you're trying to transfer a fiat currency, right? It really depends. So first of all, come to the portfolio tab. Then here you can see I have got a normal USD. So I can tap on withdraw here. Then you can select the coins list or you can choose a currency. In my case, the current one only available is digital USD. So I can tap on first digital USD, which is also one of the crypto. Then I can simply paste the address of PayPal account. So you need to have to make sure that you copy the PayPal crypto address. And once you've done that, you'll be able to simply paste the address. Now, if it is a normal fiat currency, you can select fiat currency in that case, and then you'll be able to go ahead and then change it if you like. So this way you should be able to go ahead and then basically transfer from Binance to PayPal. Hope this video was helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.